Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Brisk morning here in southern West Virginia, and we're here to work on a couple hydraulic slide rooms. Customer says that the rooms, if they're out, they'll go in just part way, and then you have to go underneath where the timing bar's at with a crescent wrench and manually bring the room in. If the rooms are in, you try and move them out, they'll come out just a little bit. And both the main slides are hydraulic and they're on one switch. So if you're trying to bring them out, they'll go out just a little bit, and then you have to manually move them. So let's see what's going on. I think I know what's going on. Y'all give me your guesses, and let's start checking this thing out. I actually have not checked it out at all, so let's see. Let's see what's in this door. Okay, that's for the leveling system. We don't need in there. All right. Looking for the hydraulic pump. It's probably going to be around front. So let's get some of this skirting off and get to the pump. All right, there's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for those solenoids. A couple of them solenoids run work the rooms. A couple of them probably for the landing gear. Let me see if I can get y'all set up here. Now, I don't know where this camera's going to focus. Probably everywhere but except where I want it to focus. So, does anybody know what I'm thinking? I am thinking that somebody has fooled with these solenoids at some point, and let's see here. There ain't near enough solenoids. Huh. Does this have, yeah, it has hydraulic landing gear also. Well, I'm gonna try this, because if somebody has fooled with these things, it could be our problem. Now, when these things are closed, in normal operation, they are turned counterclockwise. Got a 5/32 Allen wrench here. And that one is correct. Not any room up there, which is pretty typical. I don't know why I would think that's not normal. Oh, nope, I see it. I see it. Oh, I see it now. Let's see if I can show y'all. See those two knobs right there? Hopefully that's focusing. Should be like right in the center of the picture. Those are for cutting the rooms off. See which way they are. Okay, so they were, this one is open, I believe, and this one is the same way. So I'm just screwing these things in. And no, I did not verify the customer complaint before we started. I had a pretty good idea what it was, and if I'm right, it's fixed. If I'm not right, It's not fixed. So let's go get some of this skirting off and try this thing. If I did figure it out, I'll show you what it was. Customer went in to push the button. Let's see if they work better now. This is a pretty good size slide on this side. This one over here is not as large. This one will probably move first. It's a deep slide. I don't know, it's about the same size. Let's see which one moves first. Hopefully they move. We'll go up here where I can hear that pump. Make sure the pump runs. There we go. Okay, stop! Alright. That was backwards. Alright, those valves.
Hold down on it.
Yeah, go ahead and hold down on it. Okay, hold up, hold up, hold up. Now that one there just jumped time.
Just what?
It just jumped time. It was gonna go in.
Yeah, that's what they were doing.
Oh, I thought they were just stopping. Okay, no, that's a completely different issue. Oh, it's got several teeth missing. Oh, I think this one's got more teeth missing than that one back yonder. Holy moly.
Yeah, this junk is old.
Yeah, it's been slipping a lot for a long time. Alright. As y'all might have heard, it's a completely different problem than I thought. There's why you should verify the customer complaint before you start working. But these gear packs are stripped. This is a Lippert slide mechanism, and we're going to try and get this room back out, get it squared up, and now I'm going to have to take one of these gear packs off so I can count the number of teeth and get some gear packs ordered. Well, that that escalated rather quickly, but they're good. You know, I should have verified the customer complaint. I wouldn't have wasted 10 minutes trying to find those valves, changing the valves, and then finding out that was not the issue at all. Typically when people call and say, you know, hey, my room, you know, is doing this, or you know, it goes part way and then it starts popping, then I know what to expect. This guy didn't do that. He just said the rooms would move part way and then they'd stop going in or out, and then he would have to manually move them. Well, I mean, I just by those symptoms, I mean, it would have been those valves, or the solenoids would have been bad, something like that. But we did find 4 bad gear packs. I don't know whether that's gonna focus or not. Yeah. So I'm gonna order 4 gear packs, 2 for each room, and as soon as we get those, then we will be back to finish this job, and we'll just do a whole new video for that. So don't y'all do a whole new video. Y'all get down in that comment section, leave me a comment, criticism, a concern, and I'm gonna go up the road and fix another one. And y'all have a fantastic day. Haven't said that for a while, have I? No, I haven't. Catch y'all later.